Yeah. RP to the real niggas, man. We love you. For real, though. You know what I'm saying? Life will take you fast, man. For real. Life is ugly. It'll try to take you down. Bloody Mary in my kitchen and she cooking right now. Life is ugly. It'll try to take you down. Bloody Mary in my kitchen and she cooking right now. Life is ugly. It'll try to take you down. Bloody Mary in my kitchen and she cooking right now. Life is ugly. It'll try to take you down. Bloody Mary in my kitchen and she cooking right now. Get it how you live. You selling crack and whipping stoves. I'm just too hot to hold when I jump off the commode. Nigga used to see me on the block. They know what they need. I had that. I used to rob people and still change. Just I'm savage. Represent what I did just to get some motherfucking shoes. Had to pay bills. I had to wonder what my dude was coming fool. Nigga survive how I live. You fuck about the laws. Had dope and I had permits and everything was in my drawers. Nigga, get it how I live like a fucking prostitute on the strip. Used to ride down bitch and nigga to stack my fucking chips. Ride down West Belford, nigga. You already know what it is when I come back down 8-leaf, nigga. Shed tears. Bow nigga down 2234 to Highway 6. When the judge tried to pull me over, nigga, this case I already dismissed. Nigga, I really don't give a shit. All the way to Texas to Louisiana. When I walk across the border, I take a shit with my pajamas, nigga. Back and forth to Texas, Gulf Coast in my pedestrian. Yesterday I seen the motherfucker Chacho chillin' with Mexicans. I ain't tripping, nigga, with the money, nigga, cause I keep the cocaine. Where your money? Where your money, nigga? I ain't getting no fucking loans today. Nigga, the bread out. Nigga, I'm giving checks out. Nigga, give me my bread, nigga. If I take your fucking ribs out, I'm a robber, nigga, with a 223, nigga, 4-5-5-6. I throw a bulletproof at your face, nigga. I don't really give no shit, nigga. Stab your ass when I stomp you, nigga. I'm a motherfucking monster. I used to sleep on the stove, nigga. I'd have jumped Willy Wonka, nigga. What the fuck it is? If you ain't really stacking your spinach, I'ma slap you in your face and slap you, bitch. You ain't winning. Yeah. It'll try to take you down. Bloody Mary in my kitchen and she cooking right now. Life is ugly. It'll try to take you down. Bloody Mary in my kitchen and she cooking right now. Life is ugly. It'll try to take you down. Bloody Mary in my kitchen and she cooking right now. Life is ugly. It'll try to take you down. Bloody Mary in my kitchen and she cooking right now. Gotta get your bills paid, nigga. Get it how you live. Cause I just had some motherfucking niggas try to get where I live, nigga. Hit them niggas with a motherfucking 2x4 right in his face. Hit him with the 223 like it was yesterday.